Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best Big Time Rush T-shirt out there, the Rush Starman logo T-shirt. If you're a fan of the band or just love stylish, comfortable tees, this one definitely deserves your attention. Right from the start, this shirt impresses with its classic black color and bold Starman logo that instantly catches the eye. The design is officially licensed, so you know you're getting authentic graphics that really pop and show off your fandom with style. The screen-printed logo is clear and sharp, maintaining its vibrancy even after multiple washes. Made from 100% cotton, the fabric feels soft and breathable, perfect for everyday wear. Whether you're heading out to a concert, hanging out with friends, or just want to add some retro cool to your casual wardrobe, this tee fits the bill. It's also easy to care for since it's machine washable, so no special handling is required. One of the great things about this t-shirt is its fit. It's designed as a pull-on style, giving you a classic t-shirt silhouette that's comfortable without being too tight or too loose. Available in sizes from small to extra large, it caters to a range of body types and preferences, making it a versatile choice. The shirt is manufactured either in the USA or imported, ensuring quality craftsmanship. At a weight of just over 5 ounces, it strikes a good balance between being lightweight and durable. It's sturdy enough to hold up over time, so you won't have to worry about it wearing out too quickly. Pricing is also reasonable, falling between $17.99 and $24.99 depending on the size you choose. Considering the quality and licensed design, it offers great value for any Big Time Rush enthusiast. If you want to show off your love for Big Time Rush in a tee that looks great and feels comfortable, the Rush Starman logo t-shirt is a solid pick. It blends nostalgic appeal with everyday practicality, making it a staple for your collection. That wraps up our review of the best Big Time Rush t-shirt. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product insights.